Have you ever desired to transform your videos into captivating animations but lack the know-how? Fear not. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to 3 AI tools that effortlessly and completely transform any video into animation, and the best part, they're all free. With these AI tools, you can convert your videos into various styles like cartoon, artistic, and more. So without further delay, let's dive in. The first tool we'll explore is called Let's Go AI. Head over to the Let's Go AI website, link provided in the description, and to begin, you'll need to log in. Click on the login button at the top right corner and sign in with either your email or Google account. Once logged in, you will land on the Let's Go home page. Click on Remix Video to initiate the process. Here, you'll find some settings on the left side. First, select a style for your video. There are various options such as anime style, pixel style, vintage comic style, and more. I'm opting for anime style for my video. Beneath that, you can choose the video's aspect ratio and duration, but these can be left unchanged as we're transforming an existing video into a different style. Next, click on the Upload Video button and upload the video you want to convert. Now, enter a simple text prompt describing your video in the text box. Finally, click Start. The transformation process will take some time. Once completed, you'll see your original video transformed into an animated masterpiece. You can watch the video by clicking the play button. To download the transformed video, click on the download icon, and it will be saved to your computer. Another impressive feature of Let's Go AI is the style transfer option. Simply return to the home page to explore more. To utilize the style transfer option, follow the same process as before. Begin by selecting a style for your video from the plethora of options available, including Marvel and DC comic characters, famous artist styles, movie character styles, and more. For instance, I'm opting for the Van Gogh style for my video. Then, upload your video from your computer by clicking on the Upload Video button. Once uploaded, click on Generate Video to initiate the creation process. After your video is created, you can download it by clicking on the download icon. With Let's Go AI's free plan, you receive 50 daily credits to create both images and videos. For further details about Let's Go AI, check out my comprehensive tutorial, the link to which is provided in the description below. Now let's move on to the next AI tool on the list, Domo AI. To get started, head over to the Domo AI website and click on Start Discord to begin with your Discord account. After logging into your Discord account, navigate to the Domo AI server. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll find several channels that can be used to generate our video. Choose any channel you prefer. Now let's explore how to convert our video. Click on the text box and type /video, then select the appropriate option. Next, upload the video you wish to convert by clicking on the designated button. Enter a simple prompt describing your video and hit enter. After approximately 30 seconds, you'll be presented with various options to select. First, choose a video style. Luckily, there's a wide range of styles available. For example, I'm selecting the Japanese anime style for my video. Then, decide if you want the video to closely resemble your original video or be more aligned with the prompt you entered. Lastly, select the desired video duration ranging from 3 seconds to 5 minutes. For a 10-second video, it will take approximately 14 minutes to generate. I'm opting for a 5-second duration. Finally, click the Start button and your video generation process will commence. It will take some time to complete. Once generated, you'll be able to view both the original and animated style videos side by side. You can play the converted video by clicking the play button or download it using the download button. This is the final result of the video. With Domo's free plan, you receive 45 credits daily for generating both images and videos. For more detailed information about Domo AI, check out my comprehensive video tutorial, the link to which is provided in the video description. Moving on to our third tool, Pabs. Visit the Pabs website and sign in with either your Google or Discord account. Upon signing in, you'll land on their home page where you'll find the section for creating videos. Click on the Upload Video option and upload your video. Please note that in Pabs, you can only upload videos with a maximum file size of 10 MB. Enter a simple prompt for your video and proceed. Wait a short while for your video to be generated. Once it's ready, you can download it. Pabs only generates videos up to 3 seconds in duration. With the free plan, you'll receive 30 credits daily for creating videos. It's a pretty good deal. These 3 tools are available for free and can be used to create amazing videos and content. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. I'll see you in the next one.